Do you know what a publishing contract is? A publishing contract is a legally binding agreement between you, the author, and us, the publishing company. It outlines everything related to your book: publishing, distribution, royalties, payments, marketing, and more. Understanding your contract is crucial because it ensures your rights are protected, you know what services you're getting, and you know how your book will be sold and promoted. Let's go over the key points in your contract. So what exactly does the Notion Press publishing contract cover? It covers the range of publishing services that you will be getting based on the package that you choose. So this includes editing, design, distribution, marketing, and more. You can also opt for additional services at any point. Once published, your book can be distributed in print and ebook formats through various platforms like Amazon, Ingram, and the Notion Press Store. The contract specifies where your book will be distributed based on your chosen distribution plan. The contract also specifies your profits, which are calculated as the production and distribution costs subtracted from the MRP of your book. It also mentions the percentage of royalties you will be earning and how often your payments will be made based on your chosen plan. It mentions that you retain full ownership over your book and we do not claim copyright or any intellectual property rights. It also states the exact timeline for us to deliver your completed book, as well as our right to market and promote your book. So why is a contract important for an author? Signing a clear and detailed publishing contract ensures your rights as an author are protected, you understand the royalty and payment structure, and you know exactly what you're paying for and there are no surprises later. By carefully reviewing the publishing contract, you ensure that you're making an informed decision and setting yourself up for a smooth publishing journey. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!